AGTEK Tech Tip: using the F7 key. The F7 key may be used to move data points to a new location. This may be very beneficial when making corrections to overlapping data. To move a single point to a new location, select the point and move the cursor to the desired location and press the F7 key on the keyboard. The point will move to the position of the tip of the arrow. If snap is enabled, the point being moved will snap to the nearest point or line if it is within the snap circle. If there's a point within the snap circle, it will snap to the point. If there is no point on the line, a point will be inserted and the point will be snapped to the inserted point. Elevations will be interpolated accordingly. You can use the F7 key to clean up vector PDF data. Select the end point of one of the segments and move the arrow to the end of the adjacent segment, and press F7 to snap the ends together. You may then select the segments and join. You can also move points to correct overlapping report regions or sectional areas. You may also use F7 to extend a line in the same direction as the last two segments. Select the first or last 2 points in the point review list. Then move the cursor to the distance you want to extend the line and press the F7 key. The endpoint will move in the same direction.